Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of, yes, it's still Friday, almost weekend Friday, November the 5th, 2021. We have two regular Sudoku, Sudoku Light and a Heavy Sudoku. And by the way, there's in this newspaper no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition for today. But first, these two regular Sudokus. And in the first week of the month, I will always do a speed test to train your brain to work faster. And the second Sudoku I will do, a heavy Sudoku, will be a number 3639. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright, it's a 2 stars. And for 2 stars, you need to be, the time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I speed test, no comments or instructions, so let's get started. Yes. 4 4 4 4. Okay, 4 4 4 4 we have here. 4 4. This should be a 4. 4 4 4 4. 1 3 6 7. 5 5 5 5 5 4 6 6 9. 7 1. Come on. 2. 6 6 8. 2. 4 4 4. 7 and 7, of course. 4. 2 and 6. 2. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. 1 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 1 and 8. 3 and 5 5 5 3 3 1. 4 5 6 7 and 8. 7 8. The 6. 6 6 6 6. Come on. 6 6. How about the 7 7 7 7 7? Ay. 2 2 2 8 2 8 9 2 8 9 2 8 9 2 8 9 1. Come on. 6 6 6 6 6 4. What 8 8 8. 8 9 8 9 6. Here should be the 6, 8, 9. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here should be the 8. 8, 8. 3, 3. Ah, we have a pair, 3 and a 7. So the other two pairs should be 8, 8, 9, 7. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. 5, 8 and 8 and 3, 7. We have a 7 here. 3, 3, 3. All the threes. Yeah, now 6. 8, 9 and a 2, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 6 and the 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, 9, 2, 7. 9 and an 8, 9 and an 8. Here we have the 8 also. 8 should be here. 2, 9 and 6. 9. Here should be the 9. 2, 6, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2. 6 and 9. Still not. 2, 2, 2, 2, 9. 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9, 8, 9, and a 2, 8, 9, and 1, 1, 1, and the 5, with the 8, and 9, the 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1, 1, the 9, 7 and the 5, here the 9, oh, here the 8, this should be an 8, there should be an 8, 1, 2, this should be the 9, finished in 9 minutes, wow, let me check if this is correct, speed test, you need to double check. 9 minutes, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Seems to be right. All right. 9 minutes. Speedtest. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching this speed test of November. Yes, November. And later on in the evening, I will continue with the extra Sudokus. Not in today's newspaper, but in the Tuesday edition. Yes, the Tuesday edition. So, thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again very soon. Until then, bye bye for now.